Have you ever wanted to speed up a YouTube video to save time? Whether you're watching a tutorial, a lecture, or just want to get through a long video faster, YouTube has built-in features to help. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to speed up a YouTube video on desktop. Let's get started. If you're watching YouTube on a desktop or laptop, here's how you can increase the playback speed. First, play the video you want to watch.
Of frugality and sacrifice to a tipping point where life feels like incarceration. Does this guy's life seem awesome?
Look for the gear-shaped settings icon at the bottom right corner of the video player. Click on Playback Speed from the menu. You'll see options ranging from 0.25x slower to 2x faster. Click on the speed that suits you best. For example, selecting 1.5x will make the video play 50% faster.
Mediocre. Will it merge with a dream? The slow lane plan forsakes the now for a faint promise of a wealthy future. I don't consider settle for less a strategy, which is why the slow lane is predisposed to mediocrity. Life isn't great, but it isn't so bad either. No, it could be better, but you got to swap the slow lane for a new plan. Chapter summary, fast lane distinctions. The slow lane is a natural course correction from the sidewalk, evolving from taking responsibility and accountability.
And that's it. The video will now play at your chosen speed. There are some bonus tips. If you're on a desktop, there's an even faster way. Press Shift plus dot to increase the speed, while Shift plus comma to slow it down. This lets you adjust playback speed instantly without clicking through menus. And that's how you speed up YouTube videos. It's a simple trick that saves time and helps you absorb information more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.